Hello, happy Sunday. Happy Sunday kasi Sunday ngayon, di ba? Lalabas kami. Nasa labas na si asawa, kaya lang may kachismisan siya, yung kapitbahay. Naku, abutin ng 45 years kasi kapag ka nasimulang makipagkwentuhan yan, naku, mga ilang oras, nasa labas na. Nakaready na lahat. Ayun, may lumabas na kapitbahay. Nagchichika sila sa labas. Nasa labas na si Joey, si Coco, tsaka yung Junakis ko, nandun na sa sasakyan. Ayan na.
Kaya natapos din ang kwentuhan nila. Ayun si Angel sa likod. Dahil Sunday ngayon ay lalabas kami magagala. Punta kami ng simbahan mamaya.
Ayan, nakikita natin nakikita natin ang langit. Joey, okay ka lang? Ano si Coco?
Okay,
Yes,
somebody's
Coco
door is
is
open.
Ho!
Slow.
Ay, ang ganda ng dog, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Ayan o. Ang laki ni doggy.
This is the sunroof. It's pretty. Look at that. I am El camera person today. These are the dogs back here. There's a little room back there. They have their water over here and stuff. So, yeah. That's how we're situated now. That's Joey's Joey's space.
Because they're using the sending now.
Yeah, because he can't keep going up here because he starts going over there too.
Yeah, this is coming up to the top.
Ayun ang camera. Joey! Ayaw niya. Maganda sa taas. May hilingang clouds.
All close to the way.
Ay, si Coco pala. Saan na si Joey?
Hey, Coco!
Coco.
Listening to 96.9 The Eagle, Sacramento's.
Si Coco nagtatampo. Ay, si Coco. Si Joey kasi nasa likod siya. Wala silang may bintana naman kaya hindi bubuksan. Kasi nga yung bintana sa likod hindi nabubuksan. Kasi yung likod ay occupied na ni Madam Angel.
Punta kami sa casino. Hindi sa labas lang, outside only.
Red Hawk.
Red Hawk.
At ito yung casino. Ito yung casino. Meron silang patubig sa gilid yan. Tapos na kami, duman lang kami. Hindi kami papasok doon.
Mamaya pa kayo punta ng simbahan mga 6 p.m.
Ate na, may pa-fountain sila dito.
Look it up this.
At meron silang kapihan. Ayan. Nugget Market. May dalawang babae sa front. May ano sila. Colors wheel.
It's like,
Ayan, kita rito. Hindi na kami bumaba.
look at this one coming up here.
Oh yeah, I'd ride that.
Later.
I'd ride that. Ang easy doesn't go up
It's a worm.
It's a caterpillar.
stole one.
Is giving away 4 packs of tickets to Disney.
It was just like this. And in the summer, it's very brown. These are horses. What's these? Painted. Look at that.
Oh my God, there's a lot of horses.
Look at that. Cattle's.
Right? Naliligaw na kami.
In and out.
We're here in Palladio. We're here in Palladio trying to bus some people. Pabalik na kami. Ano na, 4:37 na.
Time specialized sales staff, unlike the big bucks.
Okay.
Ito yung dog park. Diyan yung malalaking dog. Dito kami dati nung Maynila pa kami. Ayan dyan. Punta kami sa kabilang dog park. Okay. Go. Wait. Find friends. Where? Naku, ano na? Bato-bato kayo. Gabos. Ba't iba naman yung bato-bato dito? Coco, be nice. Coco. Ayun na si Joey. Si Coco andito kasi palaaway siya. Hi boy! Hi! Joey! Maraming aso dito. Ayan. Ayan. Crush ni Joey yung white. Crush niya. Sinusundan. Ayan.
Just kind of there. Trying to say like, hey,
Ayun. Sabi niya, umalis ka dyan. Girlfriend ko to. Sabi niya. Bigo. Ano, Joey? Hindi ka pansin. Ayun na si Joey.
the
Ayun
big
na.
dog disappeared so you can approaches again.
Ayun na si Joey. Hinahabol niya talaga yung yung type niyang girl. Ayan na, ayan naman yung isa. Go, Joey. Paglaban mo yan. Paglaban mo. Yung si Coco ay nandito, nakahiga lang kasi hindi siya friendly. Ayan. Hindi siya friendly. Uwi na kami. Galing kami ng simbahan.